In this video, I just wanted to go ahead and share with you a ChatGPT extension that I found that's absolutely amazing. I've been using it for a day now, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's called AIPRM for ChatGPT, and you can find it by clicking on the link down below. It'll take you to this page here in the Chrome Web Store, or you can search for it with AIPRM extension, and that will take you to this page as well. Over here at the little blue button, you just hit install, and then it'll install for your Chrome. I'm not sure if Firefox has this out right now. I think it's only for Chrome. I could be wrong, but I think that you need Chrome to do this. So I'm going to take you over to my ChatGPT, and this is what it looks like. So it gives you templates that you can use to do certain things. So here are each template in these little boxes right here, right on the front screen of ChatGPT. You can do public prompts. These are all the public prompts, and then you can add your own prompt, add your own template in here as well. And you can do that, and you can, really cool thing about this is you can share it throughout the community so that everyone can have access to your prompts. So this extension, as more people start using it and more people start playing around with ChatGPT has over 100 million users at the moment. So as more people start using this extension here, we're going to start seeing this explode, and more templates and prompts are going to be added in here. And to me, this is just gold. This is gold for anything that you want to do with ChatGPT, especially SEO. There's a lot of SEO things in here that you can do, and I'm going to show you. I'm just going to go through it here real quick. I'm not really going to click anything to show you how it works. Well, I can click on one thing to show you how it works, but the best thing for you to do is just get this installed. Go out there and start using this for yourself. There's a lot of cool things, and if I scroll down here, there's 438 prompts that you can choose from that you can use. More are added every day. Yet, like I said, I've been using this for one day. Yesterday, there was 429 prompts in there. So there have been 9 more prompts since the last time I looked in about less than 12 hours time. So more are added. So it's automatically going to be sorted by top voted. You can sort by latest updates or top views. You can also see how many times each one of them has been liked. Also, there's a really cool feature that it comes with as well. It's called Export Chat, and it's over here on the left side of the screen. And you can export your chat. It's not lit up right now because I'm not actually in a chat. So you can click on that and it'll export that into a text file. So there's some really cool things in here, such as Outrank article. This is really, really neat. You can put in a competitor's URL and it will spit out an article that will outrank theirs. It's really, really neat. And I don't think that it actually goes out and scrapes the article itself. ChatGPT doesn't have that capability, not at the moment. But what I think it does is it actually looks at the URL and it sees what the URL is talking about, and then it will spit out a article that talks about that. It'll also give you keyword strategies, YouTube script creators, Midjourney prompt generators. It'll take stuff from AI, like if you got an AI written content, even from ChatGPT, if you've got AI written content and you copy that and you paste it in, it's going to rewrite it for you so that it's not detectable as AI. It's really, really neat. There's a lot of them in here that do that. And there's a search option here that you can go ahead and search. So if I type in rewrite article, 100% human content, keyword rich, 100% human content score, keyword rich content. So, and you can do it in your target language, which is also cool as well. Content rewriters, you can also do stuff with, if you're an SEO buff, you can do a lot of SEO things, a lot. Fully optimized article, including meta description and FAQ. So let me show you how these work. I'm going to click on this, and all it wants is a keyword or a title for your article. If you already have a title, put in the title. If not, it's going to give you a title. So I'm going to say melanoma and press enter. And it's automatically going to go ahead and give me a title with melanoma, understanding the deadliest form of skin cancer. And then it's going to give me an SEO meta description. And it's going to do that. And then it's going to go ahead and write the article. It's going to give me an introduction. What is melanoma? Causes of melanoma. So just by putting in one word, you don't have to go through many steps and tell it what to do, because the template already does that. The template already tells it to, I don't know exactly what the template tells me to do because I can't view the template, but I know this is a pretty good article, what it's spitting out here. So let's go ahead and go back and go back to new chat and write an SEO-friendly product description, review, response bot. If you're into GMBs, there's some GMB things in here. Get 10 optimized Google business posts. Optimize Google business profile in one click. So if you click on that, tell me the name of the business, where it's located, what it sells, and anything else that's important. Create 5 business GMBs and GMB Q&As instantly. Local SEO master plan generator, everything you need to know for SEO. So this is perfect for GMBs as well. So I just wanted to get this out there to you guys and let you know that it is there. It's a very, very powerful tool in my opinion. Best of all, it's free. Doesn't cost anything to use. And put that in your ChatGPT and go to town on it, because it can do some really, really nice things. Go out there and play around with it. That's what I've been doing for the last 24 hours. It's been an amazing ride so far, and it's only going to get better as more people put in their own templates for you to use and try out. So I want to thank you for watching this video all the way until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel for more ChatGPT tips, tricks, news, everything that you want to know about ChatGPT, I'm going to put on here. So make sure you subscribe as well. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.